Students, as we have learned earlier about nouns and proper and common nouns. Now today we are going to learn singular nouns and plural nouns. Singular noun, a noun that names one. Singular noun, tell us about one person, place, animal or thing. Example, a boy, a girl, a cat, a tree. It means a noun that names one. It means singular. Singular means single. Plural noun, a noun that names more than one. More than one means plural nouns tells us about more than one person, animal, place or thing. For example, girls, boys, cows, or you can say houses. These are the example of plural noun. Singular and plural nouns. When a noun means one only, it is a singular. Example, boy, girl, book, church, box. Now, here the singular and plural noun number 1. Rule number 1. The plural of noun is usually formed by adding s to a singular noun. By adding s, we can make anything, any person, any places in plural. Example, lamp, lamps, cat, cats, folk, folks, flower, flowers, pen, pens. Always remember, whenever we are going to make any singular thing in plural, according to rule number 1, the plural of noun is usually formed by adding s to a singular noun. Now rule number 2. Nouns adding in s, z, x, sh and ch form the plural by adding es. Always remember this. If nouns are ending the letter with s, z, x, sh and ch form the plural by adding es. In a simple word, we can say if a word is ending with box, suppose a box, the word is end with x. So, whenever we are going to make plural, we are going to write boxes, boxes. So, it is the plural form of box. Examples, moss, mosses, dish, dishes, church, churches, box, boxes. So, always remember this. This is the rule number 2 to making singular to plural. Whenever the noun is ending with s, z, x, sh and ch, always put es at the end of the word. Now rule number 3 to make singular to plural nouns. Nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant are formed into a plural by changing y to ies. Whenever the noun end with y, so always write ies, but a consonant should be there in front of y. Suppose examples, we can see lady, lady, y, in front of the y we are having d. So, d is a consonant. So, whenever a consonant is there before y, we should write ies. remove. Whenever we are making plural, we just remove y and write down in place of y, I, E, S. So, lady, ladies, city, cities, army, armies, and few more examples we can take. A fairy, fairies, and we can take baby, babies. So, these are the example of rule number 3. Always remember this, in place of y, we are going to use I, E, S. So, this is rule number 3. Now, rule number 4. Nouns ending in y preceded by a vowel form their plurals by adding s. For example, boy, boys. In a simple way, we can understand whenever the nouns end with by, but before by there is a vowel. So, we have to change into the plural adding s. Example, boy. The boy, B-O-Y. Before y, we are having o. O is a vowel. So, we are going to put in plural form s. Now, the next example is day. D-A-Y, day. So, y is there. Before y, the vowel is there. A is a vowel. As you know, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So, always remember this. Whenever the vowels come before y, we have to put s to making plural. So, this is rule number 4. Remember this always. Nouns ending in y preceded by a vowel form their plurals by adding s. Examples, boy, boys, day, days. These are the example of making plurals. Now, rule number 5. Most noun ending in o preceded by a consonant are formed into a plural by adding es. For examples, hero, heroes, grotto, grottos. Although some may add s or es. Example, hello, tornado, and some add s only. Example, solo, piano, albino, lasso. So, always remember this, most noun ending in o. Now, we can understand by taking the example of hero. Hero is a word which ends with o, and before o, we are watching in this spelling, the r is there. R is a consonant. In a simple way, we can understand when the noun ends with vowel and before vowel we are having a consonant. So, whenever we are making plural form, we are adding es. The example is hero, heroes, grotto, grottos. There are also some exceptionals. Now, although some may add s or es, examples hello, tornado, and some add s only. Examples solo, piano, albino, lasso. So, these are the exceptionals nouns. Rule number 6. This is very important rule, and we are using so many nouns which ends with f and fe, like knife, life, leaf. These are ends with f or fe. So, some nouns ending in f or fe are made plural by changing f or fe to ves. We have to remove f and fe. In place of f and fe, we are going to write VES whenever we are making plural. Examples: leaf, leaf become leaves, wife become wives, half become halves, life become lives, calf become calves, wolf become wolves. So these are the very useful examples, and we in our daily life we are using this all the time. So remember this, whenever you are writing knife in a plural form, you just remove F and write down knives, Knives. So remove F and write down VES. So this is very important rule number 6. Always remember, some nouns ending in F or FE are made plural by changing F or FE to VES. So learn this. Now some exceptional are also in this same continuation. We can rule number 6. Exceptions are there. Some nouns ending in F or FE form their plurals by adding S. Why? Because it is ends with F, but before F there is a vowel. So example is chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, safe, safes. So always remember this whenever we are writing F in singular and FE in singular in plural form, we are always remember before F and FE if their vowel is there. So always write in plural form S. Now this example is very useful for you. Chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, save, saves. These are the example of to putting S. Now there is in this clip you can see a special note. There are some irregular plurals such as man, woman, ox, mouse, goose, child. These are some singular words which we have to always remember that men always men. Why? Why we are not going to put S? Because these are the irregular plurals. We have to make the irregular plurals. A man is men, woman is women, ox is oxen, mouse is mice, goose is geese, foot is feet, tooth is teeth, mouse is mice, or child is children. So these are some nouns. Its spelling is always changed. Not we are going to put any S or ES or VES or any IES. So we have to change the spellings. Always remember this. Some words don't follow such rules. These are the words. The man, woman, child, ox, foot, mouse, tooth, child. These are the words. We have to never follow these rules to put as ES, IES. It is always the spelling will be changed. So these words we have to learn. Otherwise, in exam or in test or in our daily writing, we are going to write wrong thing. So always remember this. Now here you can see some nouns have no singular, such as scissors, measles, tongs, tweezers, trousers. They are always we are going to write in plurals. If compound nouns are plural, form the plural with the first word. Examples, singular, it is written here, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, maid of honor, secretary of state. Now we are going to make plural, sons-in-law, daughters-in-law, maids of honor, secretaries of state. So, we have to write son, sons, daughter, daughters, maid, maids, secretaries, secretaries. So, these are the words we have to always remember. It is the compound word. So, we are going to write only in the noun we have to put S. Now here in the image you can see our exercise, singular and plural nouns. Write the plural of the following words: baby, lady, city, story, duty, cherry, berry, theory and pony. So what we are going to write in place of Y? Yes, IES. So remove Y and write down IES to make plural. So now we are going to do some oral practice. Tell the singular or plural form of the following: box, chair, lamps, axe, sketch, owner, chairs, wagons, houses, pencils, trees, tables, star, bush and days. So now what we are going to write? Box, boxes, chair, chairs, lamps. So we have to write singular word lamp. Axe, axes, sketch, sketches, owner, owners, chair, chairs, wagon, wagons, houses, house, pencils, pencil, tree, trees, table, tables, star, stars, bush, bushes, days, day. So practice it. Now in this exercise we can see, write the plural of following words: day, toy, essay, valley, chimney, turkey, man, goose, mouse, deer, roof. So, day, days, toy, toys, essay, essays, valley, valleys, turkey, turkeys, chimney, chimneys. Why we are going to put S? Do you remember? Because before Y we are having vowels. So we have to write only S to making plural. Now men, men, goose, geese, mice is the plural form of mouse, deer, roof, roofs. So these are the exercises. We have to practice it and learn it.